dolls, welcome back to the Clubhouse. I'm Tan.
And it's your girl Key.
And you guys are tuned in for another episode of
14th Avenue.
Live here at the Clubhouse.
Now let's talk fashion.
So welcome back, dolls, to the Clubhouse. We have a new and exciting segment for you guys called the 5 Minute Slay,
where we show you how to recreate celebrity looks for less and in under 5 minutes.
I like that.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, so Beyoncé was recently spotted in Barcelona, Spain, while on tour, serving this very cute but simple look. We're about to break down the price for you.
Get into it.
Her blouse was Celine, and it prices at $345.
Okay.
Those denim shorts that everyone was raving about, they come from Cole & Terry Vintage and prices at $108. That's not bad.
Okay.
Those sunglasses, though, with that cherry red flavor, priced at $220.
Oh, okay.
And that To Die For tote from Dior, priced at $2,100, starting price. Depends on size and shape. All in all, her outfit costs around $2,773.
Right, too much for me. So let me show y'all how to get the look for less. Alright, Urban Outfitters has a really nice button-down color block shirt for $54. Alright, Agassi has star-studded denim cutoff shorts for $28.90. And those cute cherry red sunglasses, you can get them from Dolls Kill for $15. Lastly, or almost lastly, you can get her tote, or one that looks like it, right, from Burlington for $20. And she had on a really cute strappy sandal heel. It was like in taupe tan color. You can get them Kenneth Cole for $32.99. You wanna know how much my outfit just cost?
How much is that?
$150. Oh, and 89 cents.
That is a steal. So now you have Beyonce's look for so much less.
Yes, I hope you enjoyed our 5 minutes. See you next time.